Rocket Lab just started refueling bullish sentiment by securing a landmark $190 million contract for 20 hypersonic test launches using its HASTE vehicle. This just so happens to be the largest launch agreement in its history, while clearing a huge space for it in U.S. defense programs. The contract is part of the U.S. Department of War's MAC-TB 2.0 initiative, managed through the Test Resource Management Center and led by Kratos Defense and Security Solutions in partnership with the Naval Surface Warfare Center. The program is designed to accelerate hypersonic testing and development, a priority area for modern military capabilities. Rocket Lab will carry out the missions over a 4-year period, with the first launch expected within months, highlighting its rapid deployment capability. This award builds on Rocket Lab's established track record in hypersonics. Since 2023, it successfully conducted multiple HASTE launches at speeds exceeding Mach 5, maintaining a 100% mission success rate. RKLB explained that its ability to deliver high-frequency, responsive launches at scale is a key differentiator, particularly as defense agencies seek faster and more cost-effective testing cycles. CEO Peter Beck framed the deal as both a validation of Rocket Lab's technology and a contribution to national security, noting that the company's systems enable rapid progress in hypersonic experimentation for government and industry partners. Momentum is also evident in Rocket Lab's broader launch business. The company now has a backlog of more than 70 launches and has already sold 28 launches in Q1 2026, nearly matching its total for all of 2025. This growth indicates strong demand for both its hypersonic HASTE platform and its Electron orbital launch vehicle. However, alongside this positive momentum, Rocket Lab announced plans to raise up to $1 billion through a stock offering, which weighed on shares due to potential dilution concerns. The capital raise is intended to fund long-term growth initiatives, including development of its larger Neutron rocket. Now, if you like fast, timely updates like this on popular and obscure companies, please consider supporting the channel by signing up for TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.